Hey fashion states, welcome back to my channel Long High Heels for Women, where we dive into the world of style and trends. Today we were exploring three essential footwear steps for every woman's wardrobe. High heels, sandals and boots, whether you are gearing up for a special occasion, a casual day out, or a winter wonderland, we were got you covered. First up, let's talk high heels. These are the ultimate game changer when it comes to adding instant glam to any outfit. From classic pumps to eggy stilettos, high heels come in countless styles. The key is finding the perfect pair that not only looks fabulous but feels comfortable. Classic pumps are a timeless choice. They were versatile and perfect for office wear or a night out. If you are into something a bit more daring, try a stiletto with a bold print or metallic finish. For those who want a bit of extra stability without sacrificing height, block heels are your go-to. Pair your high heels with a sleek pencil skirt or a chic dress for an elegant look for a more casual vibe. They can be teamed with skinny jeans and a tailored blazer. Remember, comfort is key. Look for heels with padded insoles and adjustable straps. Next, let's step into the world of sandals, perfect for those sunny days or beach getaways. Sandals offer a mix of comfort and style. Whether you are into flip flops or gladiators, there's a sandal out there for every occasion. Flip flops are a must have for laid back days, but don't underestimate the power of gladiators. They were fantastic for adding a bohemian touch to your summer outfit. For a bit more elegance, espadrilles are both stylish and comfortable, ideal for a day of exploring or a casual dinner. Combine sandals with flowy maxi dresses or denim shorts for a relaxed look. For a day at the beach, go for a pair that's easy to slip on and off. And remember, a great pair of sandals can make all the difference when you are spending the day on your feet. Lastly, let's dive into boots, from ankle boots to over the knee styles. Boots are a fantastic way to add edge to your outfit while keeping your feet warm and cozy. Ankle boots are incredibly versatile. They work well with everything from jeans to skirts. If you are braving colder weather, knee-high boots are a stylish choice that offer extra coverage. And for those who love a bit or rust flare. Combat boots are your best bet. Pair ankle boots with cropped jeans and a leather jacket for a rock chic look. Knee-high boots look stunning with a cozy sweater dress or tights and a skirt. Combat boots can be styled with casual jeans or even a feminine dress for a cool contrast. So there you have it, high heel sandals and boots, each with their own unique flair and functionality. No matter the season or occasion, these footwear staples can elevate your style and keep your looking fabulous. Make sure to choose the ones that best fit your lifestyle and personal taste. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more fashion tips and trends. Drop a comment below letting us know which type of footwear you love most and any style tips you have to share. Hey fashion states, welcome back to my channel Long High Heels for Women, where we dive